Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Office District School Education Officer but Subdivisional School Education Officer Ribhoi District Hakasandrik Nailur Arajar Posan Klapen Kuburam Nonghikai Daga District Award Hagajing Raki Hagasni Buram Nonghikai Nika Teachers Day Kum Gajing Ajing Itho Bagajing Ajing Ro Yusinyang Ubin Hay Bakin Nonghikai Klano Shusuk Utiar Man Kintiu Baban Sando de Kalawe Jong Kina School Hagajing Alang Kablalong Parish Hall Nongpo Laishin Bentalang do MLA Jong Mamhati Constituency Ba Charles Marangar Ringkat Gajinon Lang Jong Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi Wabilash Baranwal Joint Director of School Education and Literacy Ribhoi District Kakong D Hujan U District School Education Officer Ba SB Bla Bat Kiwe Kiwe.
You can pay your gratitude to your teachers. Often we tend to forget that whatever we are doing today, whatever as students we are doing today and you will be doing tomorrow, teachers will play an important part in your life. Whether they only do their duty and complete the formal official responsibilities that they have been asked to, or whether they go out of their way and make it a mission to improve your lives. It's not just dependent on their temperament, it's not just dependent on their personality and how they approach their job, but it's also dependent on the fact whether they feel reciprocated by the teachers, by the students and by the parents. If you have had the blessings of a teacher who goes out of his way or a teacher who goes out of her way to make sure that you do not only get the lessons from the books but you also get the lessons from life and they prepare you as a model citizen, you should consider yourself fortunate.
You may just be called a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. You are a hero. Your dedication and passion for teaching have shaped countless lives. Your encouragement and wisdom make a lasting difference each day. Your influence goes far beyond the classroom, shaping the very future of our nation. Thank you for your patience, your kindness, your goodness, your guidance, and your unwavering commitment. Today it is also my honor to celebrate our respected teachers who are receiving award. Srimati Shrimlat Kongwir, the assistant teacher of Nehru Memorial High Secondary School. Mr. Roshan Okran, the headmaster of Nongpo Nepali School, and also by Jasful Wala, the head teacher of Center Village, Jiran. Teachers are more than just educators. They are mentors, guides, and nation builders.